Hi. In today's video, I want to introduce you to the Silverline SL S30 scissor lift. An important feature of this lift is that it's mobile. Using the mobile kit is very simple. First, we need to raise the lift to about half a meter. Next, attach the two small wheels to the metal brackets. After lowering the lift to a height of about 5, at most 10 centimeters, the lift will rest on the wheels, lift slightly, and using the metal handle on the other side, we can prop up the lift and move it around freely. The SL S30 lift has a 3-ton platform capacity with a length of 1940 millimeters, including secured ramps, a mechanical latch that is locked with an electromagnet, and that's a big advantage over air-powered latches, because here you do not need any additional power supply. On the side, there's a metal safety guard that protects against accidentally lowering the lift onto your foot. Additionally, the lift comes with 10 liters of HV32 oil and 4 rubber pads included in the set. On the lift's control box, there is information about the rules for safe operation of the lift. Power on. The lift, lower, and latch lock buttons.